Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide WeChat moments from someone. Firstly, get up into your settings site on your account on WeChat, then you need to go and select friends permissions on that selection, and right after here you're gonna find out all these different options in which you're gonna choose up on privacy settings, in which you go up for moments on the second selection and then go again on the second selection, which is hide their posts. Here you need to go on add button, and then you need to choose from which category you're going to go up on it. For example, create an attack, just go create that tag. You can import it from a group, you can select it by getting up a contact. When you select the contacts, you go down on your right upper side on that green line setup, you get back, and simply it is automatically getting up into the main point of this video. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. If you have any questions, please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys.